Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss something very interesting, ChatGPT. You may have heard this term before but may not understand what it means. So, in this video, we'll go over everything there is to know about ChatGPT and what it can do. So, let's get this party started. What exactly is ChatGPT? OpenAI trained ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence-based language model. It is one of the most advanced artificial intelligence models available today. It is intended to understand and respond to natural language queries in a human-like manner. It is a chatbot that can communicate with humans using natural language. ChatGPT is distinct from other chatbots as ChatGPT is more advanced than other chatbots because it is built on a transformer architecture, which allows it to understand the context of a conversation. Secondly, because ChatGPT is trained on a large amount of data, it has a much broader knowledge base than other chatbots. Finally, because ChatGPT is always learning and evolving, its responses become more accurate and relevant over time. When a user interacts with ChatGPT, it analyzes the user's query and generates a response using natural language processing (NLP) algorithms. It was trained using a wide range of data sources, such as books, articles, websites, and social media. This means that ChatGPT has a large knowledge base from which to answer questions. When a user interacts with ChatGPT, it analyzes the user's query and generates a response using natural language processing (NLP) algorithms. The ChatGPT algorithm is built on a transformer architecture, allowing it to understand the context of the query and generate more relevant responses. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of purposes. It can function as a personal assistant, answering questions, providing information, and assisting with tasks. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of purposes. It can also be used in customer service to provide quick and accurate answers to customer questions. ChatGPT can also be used in education to provide students with personalized learning experiences. ChatGPT's future is very exciting. ChatGPT will become more advanced and capable as AI technology advances. It is already being used in a variety of applications, and it is expected to become even more common in the coming years. ChatGPT has the potential to be used in novel and innovative ways that we have yet to imagine. In end, ChatGPT is an extremely sophisticated AI language model that can communicate with humans using natural language. It is based on a transformer architecture and has been trained on massive amounts of data, allowing it to provide accurate and relevant responses to queries. It has a wide range of applications, and its future potential is very exciting. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.